Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to generate business ideas, even if you're just starting out. It's super beginner friendly and can really spark creativity. First, sign in to your Claude AI account. Once you're in, click New Chat to start your business idea session. This is where you'll type your prompts. Next, define your goal or niche. For example, you can type, "Give me 10 online business ideas for beginners interested in e-commerce." Uh, the more specific you are, the more useful the ideas will be. Then hit enter, and Claude AI will generate a list of business ideas. You can ask it to include short explanations, potential revenue streams, or target audience for each idea. After you get the ideas, review them and refine the ones that appeal to you. You can ask Claude to expand on a particular idea or suggest practical steps to get started. Finally, take action on the ideas you like. Create a plan, test your concept, or do a small pilot. Using Claude AI regularly can help you brainstorm and validate new business opportunities faster. And that's it. Using Claude AI for business ideas is really that simple. Define your niche, generate ideas, refine, and take action. Give it a try and spark your next business venture.